Okay, pause. Before you scroll, look at this. That was my entire bank account. 22, zero investments. Just ramen, rent anxiety, and a dream of not being broke. Fast forward to today, I'm embarrassed it took me this long. 5 tricks, that's all it took. Let me show you. Stay till the end, trick 5 will make you argue with me. These 5 tricks remove willpower from the equation entirely. 63% of Gen Z say financial stress ruins their sleep and work. And the advice they're getting, just cut your coffee. Real solutions, real math, real results, let's go. Here are all 5 tricks I'll cover today. 3-second intro, then we get straight into it. Trick 1, pay yourself first, not last, first. Most people pay bills, spend money, then invest the leftovers. Spoiler, there are never any leftovers. Flip it. The moment your paycheck hits, money auto moves. Before your brain can spend it, it's already growing. Set up auto invest at Fidelity, Schwab, or Vanguard, all free. Schedule it for payday, even $20 works. Your brain stops treating it as your money, it's already gone. You literally cannot spend what you cannot see. This is why willpower never works for saving money. Automation leads to 157% more wealth over a lifetime. True story. Start small, increase as your income grows, just start. Trick 1 is done. Set it, forget it, grow. Trick 2, buy boring. No, really boring is the strategy. 92.2% of professional fund managers lose to a simple index fund. These people have Ivy League degrees and Bloomberg terminals. A boring index fund beats them, almost every single time. VOO tracks the S&P 500. VTI tracks the entire U.S. market. Expense ratio, 0.03%. You pay basically nothing in fees. On a $100 K portfolio, 1.5% in fees, $1,500 per year to someone else. That compounds too, you're losing more than you think. The boring investing strategy is the best one, like drinking water. Buy monthly, auto-invest, hands-off, that's literally it. Set it up in your Roth IRA, which is trick 3, spoiler. Historically, S&P 500 averages 10% returns per year long-term. Some years up 26%, some years down 38%, average still 10%. You don't need to be smart, you need to be patient. Trick 2 checked, by VOO or VTI, automate, sleep well. Trick 3, the legal tax cheat code the government gives you. Put in after-tax dollars now. Growth is tax-free, withdrawal zero tax. No capital gains tax, no income tax on gains, nothing. Here's the math. $500 a month for 30 years at 7% return. Regular brokerage account, $567,000 total, but you owe taxes. Capital gains taxes take $200,000 to $240,000 of that. Gone. Same $500 month in a Roth IRA, same 30 years, same return. You walk away with every single dollar. $567,000 tax-free. That's $200,000 more than the regular account, in your pocket. To Uncle Sam or to future you, your choice. 2026 limit, $7,000 per year or $583 per month. Open one free at Fidelity, Vanguard, or Schwab in 10 minutes. You need earned income and be under $150 K gross, that's most of us. Pause this video, go open your Roth IRA, I'll wait. Good, trick 3 done. This one is genuinely life-changing. Trick 4, for everyone who thinks they can't afford to invest. $50 a month, 2 pizza deliveries, that's all this takes. $50 per month for 30 years equals $113,000, not a typo. You contribute $18,000 total. The market adds $95,000 more. $95,000 you literally did nothing for. Albert Einstein called compound interest the 8th wonder of the world. He was right, and this time it works in your favor. Start at 22 versus start at 32. Same $50 a month, huge difference. $177,000 difference from just starting 10 years earlier. Best time to start was yesterday. Second best time is right now. Open brokerage. Auto invest $50. Time does the rest. Simple. Don't wait until you have enough money. Start with what you have. Trick 4 checked. Compound interest is officially your friend. Trick 5, the one that will make you argue with me. The trick is stop checking your portfolio every day. Sounds insane, I know, but the research is brutal. 1.5% less per year over 30 years, that's a massive difference. Here's the brain science. Your amygdala triggers panic when markets drop. Your instinct screams sell. But the market always comes back. S&P 500 has dropped 20% or more 9 times since 1950. Every single time it came back higher. People who panic sold in 2008 locked in losses and missed the recovery. The solution: automate mute notifications, check once a month. The hardest part of investing is managing your own fear. Solve that and you've already beaten most investors. Do less, make more. That's trick 5. Alright, let's run all 5 back lightning round. 1. Automate investments before you can spend the money. 2. Buy boring index funds. Beat 92% of professionals. 3. Open a Roth IRA. Keep every dollar the market gives you. 4. $50 a month for 30 years equals $113,000. $5. Do less. Stop checking your portfolio every day. All 5 on screen. One system. Pick one and start today. You now know more about investing than most people your age. Drop a comment, which trick are you starting with? I read all of them. If this helped, hit subscribe. We drop finance content every week. Bell icon so you never miss a video. It takes literally 1 click. Next video, full Roth IRA deep dive, how to open it and what to buy. Alright, go invest something, even $20. I'll see you in the next one.